Ambitious. Next level in AM training. Additive manufacturing opens a world of new opportunities. A workpiece is built up layer by layer in a powder bed. The laser fuses the powdered material being processed. The part is thus literally built up in a 3D way. Unlike when machining solid material, conformal printing is possible. Axis and robot-controlled deposition welding can be used as alternatives to powder bed. Ambitious provides training, consultations, and software under one roof. This allows you to benefit from our many years of experience in additive manufacturing. Whether you're a beginner or expert or looking for a bespoke package, our training ranges from basic and expert level training to choose your own level training tailored to your requirements. We also offer Siemens NX software modules and training. Learn how to create build jobs and make the configurations you need to pass the jobs to the 3D printer. Or how to simulate the additive manufacturing process and make adjustments for your system. We can also provide training on the multi-axis deposition module for 2D, 3D, and simultaneous applications. Ambitious also provides tailored support, all along the AM process chain, no matter your current position. Do you need advice on strategic matters on your journey to becoming an AM expert? Or would you like to discover what designs are possible with additive manufacturing? Or perhaps you'd like to find out how to turn a printed workpiece into a finished component. We can show you how to successfully implement the additive manufacturing process chain and can support you on the journey to becoming a certified AM expert. In addition to tailored advice, we can provide you with all Siemens NX modules to ensure a data continuous process chain. Ambitious offers all the physical and digital services you need under one roof. Benefit from our long-standing experience in additive manufacturing and the leading software solution Siemens NX. Ambitious. Next level in AM training.